Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add your website link in LinkedIn. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So a website is very helpful in showing your skill or projects. So first you need to click on LinkedIn app. Click on the profile icon at the top left. Click on settings. Click on account preferences. Click on name, location, and industry. Scroll to the last section. You can see there's a section that you can add the link to your website. You just have to paste the link here. And once you're done with that, you can click save. And the link to your website will show at the profile page. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.